In this video we'll do gray field filtering for sharpening of an image. We have the fingerprint image there. We'll do a Fourier transform, and now we'll plot. This is the function that will do gray field filtering. And so the gray in here is actually values are 1, and out here they're 2. Let's see what happens if we filter. It's all set. And now inverse Fourier transform there. And then we'll quantize graph number 3. And there, for comparison, let's copy the other graph in here. So there, graph number 2 is the original, and graph number 1 is the edge enhance. Let's zoom in on a region. There's the edge enhance, and here's the original. And the original, you can see the edge enhance is sharpening, brightening and sharpening the original image. So there's an example of gray field filtering and edge sharpening with Fawav. Thank you for watching.